Hey, this is Tom with Jailbreaking Nation, and today I have a review for you of the JBL Flip wireless portable speaker. The main function and purpose of this device is to provide you with a much improved sound as opposed to using the built-in speakers on your phone, media player or tablet. The design and hardware of the Flip are both excellent. JBL have used a mixture of plastics and metal in its construction, and it's sturdy enough that it feels excellent quality, yet it's definitely not heavy. The design is clearly focused around the speaker grille, which is pretty huge to hide the couple of 40mm drivers that power the sound. The design is sleek, stylish, and it comes in this attractive white that I have here, or a pretty snazzy black variant, which could even be classified as classy if you ask me. On the side of the Flip is where you find the main bulk of the controls. There's a power button which illuminates so you can see it in the dark, the volume controls, along with a phone button, which is pretty cool because it lets you take phone calls using the inbuilt microphone without having to pick up your phone. On the back you'll find the power cable which you'll use to charge the Flip, and you'll get around 5 hours playback from a full charge, along with an auxiliary cable so you can transmit music to the Flip if you're using a device that doesn't support Bluetooth. The Flip's going to pair with pretty much any device that supports Bluetooth, so that means for Android and iOS, as well as some others. Setting it up really simple, you just go into your device's settings, you go down to Bluetooth, and you should see the JBL Flip ready to be paired. This is slightly different for different operating systems, but it should be similar. The JBL Flip definitely going to make your music sound way better than it does directly from your device. Here's a quick audio test with a royalty-free track from 15th Dimension, which I'll have linked down below as well. As you can tell, the Flip provides a very loud, inclusive sound, which definitely makes up for the rather lacking audio, which most likely exists on your portable media player. The Flip can be purchased for around $100 or around £100, so a much better deal in America, which I think is actually a really great price for what you get, especially if you're needing something like this to boost your speaker setup. If you enjoyed or found this review helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.